In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream your screen on YouTube. So this can be really useful if you're live streaming or you're gaming and you want to record everything on your screen. Now to do this, first head over to the YouTube website and make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. You can then click on the create button in the top right hand side and click on go live. Now from here you'll have two different options. You can either start live streaming straight away or you can schedule a stream for later. Now we're just going to click on start live stream now. You can start a stream using your webcam, or if we want to record our screen, we need to use streaming software. So we're going to click on the streaming software option. And now before we can start live streaming, we need to set up our software. So just go and open up an internet browser and we're going to type in OBS Studio and press enter. And this is a free application that will allow us to live stream. So go and click on this top website, which is obsproject.com. You can then click on your operating system, so mine's Windows. You can then click on your download folder in the top right hand side, and then you'll just need to go and open up this executable file, and you'll need to go through the steps to install this onto your computer. Now once you've finished installing OBS Studio, you can simply open it up like so. Now once you've opened up the app, the first thing you need to do is click on File in the top left hand side and click on Settings. You then need to click on Stream from the left navigation, click on the drop down next to Service and select YouTube. Now you can either just connect your YouTube account by clicking this button here, or we can go and use a stream key. So this is what we're going to click on. Now to get your stream key, you can just head back over to that YouTube page and you can see here is our stream key. So I'm just going to click on the copy button. You can then head back over to OBS Studio and you can go and paste in your key like so, and then press apply and OK. Next thing you'll need to do is click on File and Settings once again. You can then click on Video in the left hand side, and you need to make sure your output scaled resolution is set to 920 by 1080, and this is what's going to be displayed on YouTube. Now for the FPS, if you're live streaming gaming, I'd recommend increasing this to 60, but if you have a lower performance computer or you're getting any kind of lag, you can reduce this down to 30. Over in the left hand side, if you click on output, change the output mode to simple, and this is where you can select all of your different video quality settings. For the video bitrate, I like to leave mine at 6000. The video encoder, you can click on the drop down arrow. I've got mine set to X264, but if you have a dedicated graphics card such as Nvidia, then you can go and select NVENC from the list. Now for the recording quality, I like to set mine to high quality. You can then click on audio in the left hand side, click on the drop down next to microphone and select your external mic. Now once you've applied all of these settings, just press apply and OK. Now all you need to do is make sure you have a scene created in the bottom left hand side. So you can see I already have a scene set up. If you don't have one of these, you can click on the plus icon and you can go and create a new scene. You then need to add a source as well by clicking the plus icon, click on display capture, click on OK, make sure the capture method is set to automatic, and then click on display and go and select your monitor. You can then press OK. Now you should be able to see your screen in this preview window, and then you can just go and press start streaming in order to start streaming over to YouTube. You can then head back over to YouTube, and after a couple of seconds it should start live streaming. You can also edit all of these different sections by pressing the edit button, and you can go and set up a title and also a description for your live stream. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.